Gemini 2.5's Deep Research beat all other AI models. Hi everyone and welcome back to your channel Intuito for You. Struggling with writing or data analysis? At Intuito for You, we turn challenges into achievements. Our expert tutors are ready to help you perfect your writing and master your data like never before. Whether you're looking for academic excellence or better insights from your data, we've got you covered. Join Intuito for You and take your skills to the next level. After a long race with no victories, that game-changing moment has finally arrived. Google's Gemini 2.5 has officially launched, and it's shaking things up in the world of AI, and at the end of this video I shared with you something that totally changed your searching with. Stay with me till end. With this latest release, Gemini 2.5 isn't just in the race, it's leading it, taking down every major player and blasting its way to the #1 spot. Let's dive into why Gemini 2.5's Deep Research is outperforming all other AI models, and how you can take full advantage of it. Before we get started, smash that like button if you're as excited as I am. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button with the bell icon so you don't miss any of our AI updates. Let's make this race even more thrilling, shall we? So here's the scoop: Gemini 2.5 has debuted at #1 on the LLM Arena leaderboard, and it's not just by a small margin. When we compare it with Grok, the previous champ, Gemini 2.5 left it 39 points behind. Not just that, it breezed through advanced math and coding tasks in a way no other AI model has managed to do. We're talking a massive leap over the competition. Now, let's talk about what makes this model so revolutionary. Deep Research within Gemini 2.5 isn't just about getting the job done, it's about getting it done faster and smarter. Take a look at how it scored 18.8 on reasoning tasks, and folks, no other AI is even close. Want to see something truly incredible? Watch how Gemini 2.5 handles code editing. Coders know this: editing code is the hardest part of development. But with Gemini 2.5's insane accuracy and speed, it's the ultimate tool for bug fixing and code adjustments. It doesn't stop there. With advanced coding, you can create entire web applications with just a single prompt. That's right, one line in Gemini 2.5 generates the entire code for you. Let me show you. Firstly, if you want a free Gemini 2.5 version to use, click into Try to Google AI Studio, and here the Gemini 2.5 is, and now set the Gemini 2.5 version and you start your research whatever you want. Check this out: I just typed a simple request for a code to creating a website of image to hex conversion, and Gemini 2.5 generated the entire code in seconds. How cool is that? And the best part? Gemini 2.5 has a 2 million token context window. That means it can handle massive projects, even 30,000 lines of code or the entire content of a book. No more breaking it down into chunks, just one go and you're done. So, how does this compare to the competition? Gemini 2.5 isn't just fast, it's also accurate. I ran the same reasoning test on both Gemini 2.5 and ChatGPT 3, and Gemini 2.5 delivered in half the time with the correct answer. Now, it's clear, Gemini 2.5 is here to stay. If you're an AI enthusiast or a professional, this is the tool you need. Whether you're into coding, problem solving, or handling complex data, Gemini 2.5 is the future. So, if you haven't made the switch yet, it's time to try Gemini 2.5 Pro and start dominating the AI space. And you also save the code that Gemini 2.5 provide for your use. I've already made the shift, and trust me, you don't regret it. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more amazing content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.